Mabuhay ug madayaw sir and classmates. I'm Ernest Diego ug ako ang una nga mag-report sa among grupo sa Chapter 6, Accounting Concepts and Principles. Introduction. Accounting concept principles and assumption are essential to understand the financial performance of business. These concepts serve as foundation for preparing financial statements to avoid misunderstanding and improve clarity, according to Valix et al. 2013. So sa introduction, there are concepts, principles, and assumptions that guide how businesses record or report their finances. So by following them, financial statements like balance sheets and income statements become more accurate and consistent. So in short, ang accounting principles are like rules that make financial reports clear and reliable. Accrual accounting. Business transactions are recorded when they occur, not when cash is received or paid. It aims to present financial information more accurately by matching revenues and expenses to the period in which they occur. The opposite method is the cash basis of accounting, where transactions are recorded only when the cash changes hands. So sa accrual accounting, mao ni siya ang mga kwarta which involve in a certain transaction which were spent or earned but not yet paid or not yet received. So natay duha ka accrual basis ani, ang revenue o ang expenses. Example sa accrued basis in terms of revenue. So nagbenta ako kay Steve ng ballpen. Si Steve ay hindi pa nagbayad. Pero nakabenta na ako at i-record ko na to kasi na-earn ko na siya. So mauna siya ang transaction sa accrued revenue. So again, I earned revenue but I haven't received the money paid by Steve yet. So wala pa nako nadawat ang bayad ni Steve pero halina nako siya. So next, accrued basis in terms of expense. So for example, Davao Light, nagamit na nato siya pero wala pa nato siya gibayaran next month pa. Mauna siya ang incurred but not yet paid. So sa accrual accounting, records revenue when they are earned and expenses when they incurred, regardless of when cash is received or paid. Sa cash accounting, records revenue only when cash is received and expenses only when cash is paid.